Sorry, is there anything I can help you with? I have an appointment with the doctor to check my husband's shoes. You too, is it? I will make a slip for your husband. Mr. Gunawan. How old is ma'am? 23 years old. Okay, ma'am, this December and please go to the YHB room to white in line this slip. Okay, so thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Sudah please.
The doctor outside has a patient on behalf of Mr. Gunawan. Please check the doctor.
Fine. Please call and bring him to the sus room for infection.
Okay, doctor. On behalf of the Mr. Gunawan, please enter. Okay, then. Thank you, Sus.
Excuse me, ma'am and sir.
I'm sorry. What's wrong, sir?
I have the flu and fever for a week, and my body also feels sick.
Good. Please be down on the bed and I'll check the chest first.
Thank you very much.
I'm sorry, sir. Can you open your mouth?
Okay, doc.
Who is my husband doing?
Mom, after check, it turned out your husband had flu symptoms.
Who series are my husband flu symptoms, doc?
Don't worry, man. I will write down the prescription for the medicine. Sus, I'm waiting the medicine for the nurse.
Okay, doctor.
Please take medicine I want done to give to patient.
This is the medical dose.
Thank you, sus.
Okay, doctor.
Okay, yeah, I will give my husband some medicine. Take the medicine regular, and your husband will recovery complete with 1 week.
Okay, doc.
Please bring this slip, and your husband can take it home.
Okay, doc. Thank you. Okay.
Your what, mom? I
Okay.
hope your